Hi everybody, Josh here. Probably ask, why do I have a rake and a clump of grass in my hand? Well, today I want to talk about your lawns and damage from snow plows, snow piles, and salt. We had a really rough winter from January on, which meant lots of snow, lots of salt. It also means lots of damage to our lawns. So here today, a couple of quick tips to help you. The first, grab a rake, preferably a spring type rake like this. It's a metal one or a plastic one, and you can use that to fluff up areas of your lawn like that, get the desiccated grass out, but also you can stop things like snow mold, and you can help get out some of that dead grass that's in there. The second is getting out gravel. It's a great way to simply rake the gravel out of the lawn. And then lastly, if you do have chunks of your lawn that came out, go ahead and take those chunks, place them back in those areas, like so, tamp them down, and odds are that grass will probably still be viable and filled in, and you will not have to add dirt or seed to those areas. Now, if it doesn't come in, at least you have the dirt there from the clump. Go ahead and sprinkle a little seed later on in the spring. But if you do find those clumps, go ahead, piece them back in, and more than likely you'll find that come May time frame that will heal back off, and you'll never notice a problem. So those are a couple quick tips to help with the snow damage that we would have had this year. And the last one is salt. Salt is such a terrible thing for lawns. Gypsum is the product you want to use. It will drive down the salt below the root zone and really help your lawns in those tough along the curb areas, along the driveway and sidewalks, and it'll guarantee that that grass will come out of it much better. So if you need help with any of this or any applications in your lawn or for your trees, let us know. We'd love to help. Thanks.